This is the interactive envelope tool. Using this interactive envelope tool, we can shape objects like lines, artistic text and paragraph text frames. All these can be enveloped and changed, can be given a different shape to the objects. For this, I am first of all typing some text here using the text tool. Click on the text tool and then type some text in the page. I have typed this word. After that, with the help of the pick tool, I will increase the size of the text. This way you can increase the size, or you can also format it by using the toolbar, property toolbar for the text tool. After this, you can add colors to the text. Then now giving, if I want to give a different shape to my text, then I'll have to select the interactive envelope tool. With this tool, first of all click on the text, then select the interactive envelope tool, and now you can see some notes have been added to each corner of this box. So by changing or moving this notes, we can give a different shape to our text this way. This way you can change the shape of the text using the interactive envelope tool. Not only text, we can also use the objects for changing shapes using the envelope tool. You'll have to first of all draw a shape from any of these shape tools like the ellipse tool or rectangle tool. This way. Then go to the envelope tool. Now you can change this notes and it has been changed to a different shape. You need to move the notes to different position. This way the shape will change. So this is the interactive envelope tool. After the interactive envelope tool, next tool is the eyedropper tool. It consists of two tools in its flyout menu. The first one is the eyedropper tool and next is the paint bucket tool. With the help of the eyedropper tool, we can select a color from any of an object and it can be added to another object or shape. So first of all I am selecting this pick tool. If I need to change the color of this square by filling this purple color to the box, so first of all I am going to click on the color of this shape, and next we need to click on the paint bucket and click on the shape where we want to add our add the same color. This way we can pick a color from an object and it can be added to a different object or shape. So this is the use of the eyedropper tool. Next is the outline tool. Here we can change the outline of an object or a shape. The first here different options are given, so we can change the width of the outline. Suppose I am selecting this object here and go to the outline tool, click on any of the width from here, then we can see the line width has been increased by a size from before. Next, if I want to change the color of the outline, then to change its color, first click on this option and here the color palette will appear. From this you can select the color to be added to the outline. Now you can see the color has been changed from black to yellow. This way, by using the outline tool, we can change the line style of an object. If we want to remove the outline, then we will have to click on this no outline option from the outline tool, and the outline will be removed from the shape or the object. So this is the use of the outline tool.